Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out this pool vacuum right here. This was sent to me to review. This is a pretty easy and basic DIY vacuum. As you can see in here, it has just a little fan inside. Once you press the go button, it'll start spinning that fan. What it's going to do is actually inflate this up, and it's going to suck stuff up into there. You can see on the bottom just has some wheels right here. Really easy to use wheels. And then the little fan right there. So really cool and easy to use. And it also has a really long and extendable, wand right here. So we're going to be able to put this and get all the way into the pool to try this out. So let's go ahead and see how it works. So I do want to show you guys a little close up right here. You can see the bag is on here just by the drawstring. It also has the power button, and that's where you can charge it right there as well. Really, all you have to do is just put a couple of different screws in there and you're done with the setup. And then you have the long handle extension right here, which is nice, so you can get all throughout your pool. So let's go ahead and see what it does in the pool. So we went ahead and turned it on. As you turn it on right there, you can see the fan start spinning, and what that's going to do is help kind of suck up stuff into your bag. So we're going to see what we can find here in my pool. As you can see, our pool is a little dirty. We let it get a few different items in here so we could shoot this video, and I have all kind of stuff from leaves and also little other kind of things and trash and all kind of stuff in here. Wanted to see what this can actually pick up. I assume it can definitely pick up some of the leaves, but I also wanted to see if it could pick up some of the smaller stuff like that as well. We've also had a lot of rain, so there's all kind of stuff down in here, so we want to see how well everything can do here. I also like the length of this pole, because when you have a pool like mine, you can get all the way past the middle, which is nice. You're able to get the entire pool area by itself, and that's really helpful when you're trying to get all this clean so your kids can have some fun. But I also really like this one because it's a pretty simple process. Some of the other vacuums have been kind of more intricate and more detailed. This is pretty simple, just really basic and really easy to use. I did use one of these a long time ago when I had one of my first pools, and what it did is it actually hooked up to a garden hose, and you had to do all that kind of other stuff to it. But this is nice that it just has the fan right here and actually sucks it up into the bag. Also, the bag itself is pretty small, so not a lot of stuff is going to fit through the bag, which is nice. So you're going to be able to get most of the items in the bag. And again, it's not going to go back all over your pool, which is really helpful. But again, this is a helpful option. I have multiple robotic vacuums, but it's also nice to have one of these as well. That way, when you're trying to get all these items in your pool or just doing some spot treatments, you can definitely do that as well. Another part I did want to show you guys is this can actually be used as a skimmer as well. You can see right here, if you have a bunch of trash and stuff like that and leaves on the top, you can actually use this as a skimmer, and it can suck a lot of that stuff in as well, which is a really cool idea for one of these, because you can get all the stuff on the bottom with one of these or the robot vacuums, but having a skimmer is a game changer, and that's something I really think is a great option for having any type of pool vacuum. All right, guys, so you can see this was only a few minutes of actually just vacuuming in our pool right here. All you're going to do to get this off is just open this up. And then you can see our bag right here. You can just dump the bag. I want to show you all the stuff that's in here. I'm actually impressed. It got a lot of the dirt and grime too. Usually these don't get the smaller stuff, but this literally got all of that, I mean, in about 5 minutes. If not, it might even been like 3 minutes. But it even got a lot of the grime in there too. What you'll need to do right here is just rinse this out. Just grab a hose, rinse this out, and you're able to get a lot of that stuff out. And then you're able to get back going and vacuum this stuff when you need to, which is really cool. But overall, I think this is a great little pool vacuum. I've used some of these like years and years ago when we first got our pool, and I hadn't used one in a while where it actually sucks up into a bag. But this is really good. I like the new fan addition. That's great. The old ones, you actually had to have like water pushing it in there, and it worked okay. But I think this is a great one. It's super easy. Little charger right there. Just comes with a little charger. Literally takes you about 30 seconds to put it together. It's just 2 pins. Put this in and then put the pole in, and you're ready to roll. So I think this thing is great. I think if you're looking for some type of easy DIY option for cleaning your pool, your spa, or your hot tub, or whatever you might have, this is one I highly recommend you check out. Super easy to use. Really makes it to clean, and I think it works really well. So if you're interested, link down below. You can check it out down there. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.